happy. Have you done it? Yeah! Avengers, assemble! Welcome to aclaireytale and welcome to Sequoia Lodge here at Disneyland Paris. In this vlog, I thought I'd go through the hotel with you, show you around and give you a room tour as well, so that if you are looking at staying here, it will give you a little bit of an insight as to what you have in store for you. This is a really special hotel. I love the theming, and for me, I used to work here 10 years ago now, and while I was working, I used to long for the day that I would be back here as a guest. And the day is here. I am here as a guest and it feels amazing. The hotel is beautiful. I'm going to show you around. Let's start with going through reception, going through everything on this floor, and then we'll go up and do a room tour. Let's go. So this is the front of the hotel. This is the reception. That way, if you come here via bus, this is where the bus will stop, just on this side. You're greeted with beautiful big trees, and if you are early, so if you're earlier than the 3 o'clock check-in time, you can put your suitcases into this room here. You can put all your baggage and anything you want to leave, and they'll give you a ticket and you can come back for it later, and you can go off to the parks while your luggage is secure. Security is right here, so they'll check all your suitcases and everything before you go in. But let's head in. Let's go and look at reception. So here are the front doors. Let's go in. This is lovely on the door handle. So this is reception. So as you can see with Sequoia Lodge, it's very woodland themed, lots of trees, lots of dark green and browns. You've got the Golden Forest Club here. You've got some seating areas here and the reception desk. They've got some beautiful paintings behind them there. And then we'll keep walking forwards. This is the concierge desk. So concierge is French for, oh wait. And then through here, we've got the Redwood Bar and Lounge. Let's have a little look inside. It looks so cozy in here, especially with that big fireplace. Look at that. Very nice. And then we've got the bar on this side, which is closed right now. And then more seating on this side too. This was very busy last night, so it's definitely a popular bar to come to. Oh, look at that light fixture. Oh, I'll show you the menu. So they have some snacks here. And then this is the menu. Oh yeah, so you've got a load of cocktails. Oh, Rocky Mountains, Joshua Tree, Redwood. So as you keep going through, we can see here that this splits off now to the south wing and the north wing. So there's two sides where there are so many rooms. There are also lodges, which I'll show you in a second. But let's turn right. We've got a little kids area here with crayons and games and chalk. And then if you had breakfast included in your stay, you would go down here for breakfast. We'll go down there in a second, but I'll just show you what's down here. We're coming up to the shop on this side, and then over here is a backdrop, because from 8:30 until 4 they have a character meet and greet here, and they're all dressed up in their Sequoia Lodge Wilderness Explorer kind of outfits. They look amazing. So we were lucky enough to meet Max and Goofy so far, and it's a lovely backdrop, as you can see. Hi Max, I love your outfit, your Sequoia Lodge outfit. Hi Donald, give us a twirl. Lovely. Hi Goofy. I know, I need Goofy ones. Oh, thank you. And then down here you've got rooms, and there are some lifts there as well. And then this is the boutique. I'll have a little quick look around to show you what they have here. So we've got some Wish merch here as you walk in. And then we've got all the hats and ears that you need for your park stay. Oh, and autograph books and pens as well. So you can get everything you need for the parks in here. Wellies, because it is very rainy here at Disneyland Paris this time of year. Bags and things, magnets, loads of souvenirs, key rings, pins. We've got plush here, and the plush is on this very nice tree. And then over here we've got Paris merch. So if you did forget anything that you were seeing in the parks, you can come here and get some specific Paris merch. I love that, that's cute. On this side we've got more pens and plush, and we've got some homeware and even more plush. Bath toys up here, books, frames. We've got some pin folders. And then in terms of snacks, it really is just crisps that they've got here. Some chocolate bars, M&Ms. So I've come out of the shop. Let's go downstairs and check out the restaurants that you might be going to for your breakfast in the morning. Wow, look at these headdresses. Stunning. So through here we've got two restaurants. We've got Hunter's Grill and Beaver Creek. If you go straight out these doors you can get to the park. But let's have a look at these dining rooms. We've got a bear here. Let's check out Beaver Creek. So we can't go in, it is currently closed. But you can just see here, this is where the buffet is going to be. You can see some chairs and tables for you to have your breakfast. Let's have a look on the other side. And then this one is Hunter's Grill, and you can actually get a buffet in this one. There is some dining currently going on right now. This is a better view of the room where you have breakfast actually. You can just see the dining tables and chairs. It's all set up ready for you in the morning. Right, let's go back up to the floor we started on and we'll head to the room. So I've just walked from where the character meet and greet is now to the lifts. We're going to go up one to where our room is. We have just checked into our room here at Sequoia Lodge. Let me show you around. We are on the 3rd floor in the main building. We just came up the elevators here and our room is so well situated. This is it, 3251. Let's go in. So as you walk inside, to the right, there's this little area here. Ignore our luggage, that's where we've just dumped our stuff. Wardrobe, there's a safe, some storage, and then we've got a sink here, and more cupboard space down here, towels. Ooh, have we got Disneyland Paris soap? Very nice. Big mirror. Hairdryer is one of those little ones. Then through here we've got the toilet, some forest sort of details. This is the bath. It's quite a big bath actually, and shower. And we've got some Disneyland Paris shampoo and body wash, and we've got shampoo and conditioner miniatures, little Mickeys, cute. Washing line and towels. Then we've got the toilet. Right, let's go and look at the main bedroom. The border of the wallpaper is Bambi. How cute. Bambi, Thumper, flower. Back to Bambi again. And then this is the room. I've got 2 double beds. It's going to be very nice indeed. Again with the border of Bambi. And then on this side we've got a gorgeous Bambi painting. How cute. We've got table and chairs. It looks like we've got some free water, which is nice, an ice bucket and mirror. Then we have the television, coffee maker, drawer space. There's a kettle as well as the coffee maker, which is good. It looks like they've added some charging points, maybe because this hotel room hasn't been renovated that recently. Yeah, there aren't any sockets or charging points. What about on this side? No. So yeah, I think this is due for renovation soon. Yeah, there's no sockets, so we're going to have to use the ones here. We've got a plug there and a USB-C and a USB here. Ooh, look at all that. All the coffee that you need. Yeah, these beds look very cozy indeed. Look really comfortable. Oh, look at that. Is that Bambi? It's a deer. Nice little touch. Turn the lights on. I'm happy with this. It's going to be lovely. Very Bambi themed. Fantastic. We've got Sequoia Lodge. Is this a menu? Oh. Oh, it's a little postcard. That's nice, isn't it? Guest survey, baby care items. Oh, look at this. The glasses have 30th anniversary coasters on. Love that. I love the way it looks like a Mickey. That's so clever. Oh, let's have a little look outside. Do we have a view of anything? Oh, the forest. Look at the trees. I'm so happy with this room. We're in the main building, just up 1 floor, and it, as you saw, a really short walk, and we were here. We're gonna have a good few nights sleeps here after our busy park days. We've got a full-length mirror here as well. Look how cute the room key is as well, with Bambi on. It's a really great theming. I always thought this hotel was going to be similar to Wilderness Lodge, but it's not. It has its own theming. It's lovely. Right, ready? Are we going to fall back?
Yeah.
Ready? So, let's follow signs now for the pool. So we are going outside now to the pool, and then also if you're staying in a lodge, they are going to be this way as well, out of the main building. So we're just coming outside now. You can just see Disney Village over there. It is currently raining, so do ignore that. But look at these massive trees that they have here, making the theming feel so real. This is the building. Right, let's follow this down to the swimming pool. They've got a nice little picnic area down there if it was nice weather out there. Oh, the pool is extremely busy. I might not be able to show you it properly, but this is the building where the pool is. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit. That's the pool. So not only is there a pool, there is a health club as well. So I'm guessing that there's a gym here too. This might be an outdoor pool in the summer. So the opening times for the pool, they're pretty good timings, 7 till 10 at night. So plenty of time to come in. Let's have a little look. Oh, the smell of chlorine hits you. Oh, they must give you a towel here and then you can go in. And then walking back through the tunnel, if you can just see here, if you just follow this path, you can see Disney Village, walk through Disney Village and get to the parks. It's literally a 10-minute walk. It's so well situated. Goodbye, Sequoia room. I will say one thing, the rooms are red hot and it's February. We've asked for a fan and it cooled it down a little bit, but just be wary. These rooms do not have air conditioning and it does get extremely hot. So yeah, if you're here in the summer, definitely ask for a fan. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking around the hotel with me. I had a really good 2-night stay here. It has been wonderful. Let me know below, are you looking at staying here in the future? Have you stayed here before? I'd love to hear about that. Let me know all of that below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week for another Disney vlog. Please like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye!